Hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video, we are unboxing the Zeblaze Lily 2. It's a lady smartwatch. So let's go ahead and find out what's inside the box. So first of all, we have the smartwatch here. I'm gonna place it here. And other than that, we have additional straps. We get steel straps here. It's millionaire's loop. And after that, we have the USB A to 2-pin magnetic charger. And in the end we have the user manual. After getting the user manual out, I also found the screen protector inside it, which is a good thing. They have also included extra straps as well as screen protector inside it. So here it is. Let's take off the sticker and let's turn on the smartwatch. So now it's turning on. So here's a look at the display. It's quite small in size and I think it's perfect for the ladies. It comes with an AMOLED display. The crown key as well as the sides are specifically designed for the ladies. It's the Stardust silver color that I have in my hands. We get an AMOLED display on the top, although the bezels are quite thick, and it looks like the straps it is using are of 18mm size. If you look at the smartwatch, then it has a few built-in watch faces inside it, and the AMOLED display makes it look quite nice. Then we also get a lot of applications. Let me switch to list view. So I have used a lot of FitCloud Pro smartwatches, but most of them have a quite bad display. Even when they are using AMOLED display, the refresh rate is really bad. But this right here looks very nice. Zeblaze is using the FitCloud Pro application and theme, but still overall the smartwatch is looking quite smooth. So just look at this, it's quite smooth. So here's a look at the applications. We have the pedometer application, by which you can keep a track of the steps and the calories you have burned. It also calculates the distance. Then we have the workout modes. Unfortunately, it does not come with GPS inside it. And other than that, we have the heart rate checker, the blood oxygen level checker, and the blood pressure checker too. We also get the sleep tracker here. You can also connect it with the mobile phone application to take a look at all of the other functionalities. So this was a quick unboxing and a look at the Zeblaze Lily 2. If you would like to see a full review on it, you can let me know about that in the comments and I'll surely test it. As you all know, I post my full reviews on iMAT gadgets, where I do the pedometer test, then the oximeter test, and I also do the sleep tracking test. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one.